So here's how to fix command prompt opens and closes immediately. First, you want to right click on the taskbar and then open Task Manager. Now in the Task Manager, you want to go to the Startup tab and go through these apps one by one and disable any ones that look suspicious or you don't recognize. So you want to go on this list one by one and disable any ones that you don't recognize that might be causing that issue. Now you can close this and then right click on the start button and click on run, and then in here type sys cmd.exe and then press enter, and it should open up this page. Now you want to click on advanced tab and then click on environment variables. Now under system variables you want to click on path and then you want to click on edit, and now scroll all the way down and click on new to add an entry at the bottom, and then you want to type C:// system /sys wall 64, just like that. It's actually Windows C Windows /sys WOW 64, like that, and then press OK. Now you want to press OK and close this. Now you can try to open the command prompt again to see if that solves the problem. Otherwise, what you can do is right click on start button and then open run command and then type regedit and then press OK. And this should open up the registry. Now you want to navigate to the following path, which is computer local machine, and then software, and then Microsoft should be right here. Then expand Microsoft and look for command processor, which is this one. Now if you see a file or entry here called auto run, you should remove it. Otherwise, if it's not here, you can create one, which is dword 32-bit, and then call it auto run. Now open it and make sure the value is 0 and hexadecimal, and then press OK. Now you can close this and reboot the PC. And now if you open the command prompt, it should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.